Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the On Time On Target play of the day. You have four screens in front of you. They're all 1 minute charts. You have the S&P 500, which is in the red, but it's obviously trending positive there. You have HIMX, which is up 7% on earnings, is what's causing that gap up. You have XL Fleet, who's announced that they're going to do a significant amount of electric vehicles within their fleet. So they are gapping up 8% on that news. And then you have my favorite, which is GEO Short. There's the opening bell. GEO Short is gapping down on they cut their dividends. So we're going to look at GEO Short here. It's going to be about a 10-cent stop. So we're going to let it set the high of the day. Hopefully it doesn't just fall like a rock. What we would prefer is it stays around between 6.6 and 6.7, maybe even goes a little higher, and then turns around and starts to sell off from there. So we'll zoom in on this pretty good. So checking the HIMAX story, they're basically dropped out of their gap. They're not gapping up anymore, so we can kill that. This is acting like we want it to. Again, GEO, we prefer it go up, set the high of the day, and then we'll take it short. Another long we'll take a look at is CAHC was added to the mid-cap 400. I don't like how that chart looks. All right, let's back to here. 667 is a high of the day, so that puts the entry point at 657. Let's use 660. I feel like being aggressive on this. 660 with the 670 stop. There's your entry into it again. 660 short. Here's your arrow down. 670 is your limit to the upside in case this thing backs up. And again, the only reason it's not like people are buying this, they're covering their shorts, is why we're setting the level up here. So again, 660 is your entry point. That puts our exit at 630, which I think is very, very achievable. And your upper limit here is at 670. We'll bring that down to 660 if we can. Again, I don't think a lot of people are going to be buying this. So our first R point is 650. Let's zoom out here a little bit, see if we can reach any lower. That didn't zoom out much. There, zoomed out. Doesn't look like we'll get much lower on the chart. So again, your exit point is all the way down at 630 is what we're looking at here. All right, let's go back and have the market cap to check our trade real quick. Again, set your stops in 670 and 630. If you don't like the way this is acting, you can kill it here or kill it at 660, either one. I'm going to let it go and check back on it later. All right. Hey everybody, welcome back. Just wanted to close out this trade. It is now 9:10, so 40 minutes into this trade that we took this morning. It finally hit its stopping out point at 630, absolute low of the day. So limit there, and you were stopped out and buying it back. So since you saw this hit a couple times, I think there's more people than just us using 630 as their point. As soon as it hits it and people are covering their shorts, it's buying back the stock there. If you wanted to keep 100 share, if you had a third, say you had 300 shares, you'd keep a little bit here because I think it'll continue to leak throughout the day. Once it's done, people are covering their shorts here. But to recap the trade, we took the trade at 660. There's our down arrow there. So we took the trade at 660. We set an upper level limit above the high of the day, which is at 670, and then basically just watched it fall. It hit 1R pretty quick, 2R even quicker, and it stayed there for a long time, and then finally went down to the 3R point. Again, the thesis again is GEO cut their dividend. So whenever you have somebody cutting their dividend, that gives you a good thesis to go short. So that's it. Recapping the trade of the day. Nice 3R trade.